In this quick tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of Ease2pay NV, ticker EAS2P.NV. Ease2pay NV is a payments technology company listed on Euronext, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EAS2P.NV. Then select the listing that matches Ease2pay NV to open the stock page. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart. Confirm the issuer is Ease2pay NV to be sure you have the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.